Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize calendar sync with Google for property showings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Google Calendar website by typing calendar.google.com in the address bar. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left side of your screen, find the Add Calendar option. After entering the email, click on Add Calendar. You will see a confirmation message that the calendar is successfully added. Now, navigate back to your calendar view. Once the new calendar appears on your list, click on it to see its events. To sync this calendar with other applications, go back to the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you will find options like the calendar ID and secret address in ICL format. Copy the calendar ID or ICL link. Now, open the application or platform where you want to sync your calendar. Go to the Settings or Integration section of that application. Look for the option to add a calendar or sync a third-party calendar. Paste the calendar ID or ICL link where prompted. Save your changes in the application. Wait a moment while the calendar syncs. Once the process is complete, check to ensure that your property showings are now visible. You have successfully authorized calendar sync with Google for your property showings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.